animals and non-green plants, etc. And after the plants get their food from not only from soil, other sources and scientists who are that one, Van Helmont. Okay, next photosynthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means combine or a putting together. Okay, understand ma? The what is meant by photosynthesis or define photosynthesis? Very important question madi. 2 marks complete equation kuda adutadu on sometimes. That's why read perfectly. The photosynthesis is a process of the green color plant containing a green pigment is called as a the build up a chlorophyll. Green pigment is a chlorophyll and build up a complex inorganic molecules to simple inorganic ones using the sunlight. అయితే ఈ నెక్స్ట్ ఈక్వేషన్ ప్రపోజ్ చేసినటువంటి 1931లో మనకి సిబి వ్యానిల్ ప్రపోజ్ చేసిన ఈక్వేషన్ CO2 + 2H2O ప్లస్ గివ్స్ రైజ్ టు లైట్ అండ్ క్లోరోఫిల్. CH2O + H2O + O2. Okay, next after the Robert Hill proposed the vanillin first worked in a purple sulfur bacteria. The H2O gas are produced on that time. No oxygen or H2S gas are produced on that time. No oxygen are produced. Sulfur are produced. After Robert Hill proposed the equation is a C6CO2 plus 12H2O gives rise to C6H12O6 plus 6H2O plus 6O2. Okay, understand? Presence of starch and carbohydrates are now okay. See, presence of starch. Okay, presence of starch. First you are taking the procedure. Why aim? You take procedure what the carbohydrates is necessary for the photosynthesis. Okay, carbohydrates are starch is necessary for photosynthesis. Necessary for photosynthesis. Okay, operators. You take this one in text. Have this like didn't you, but this like only you follow 4 marks question. This is very important question ma. Okay, you take the first of all tripad stand, methylated spirit, asbestos gas, and test tube, beaker. Okay, potted plant, chemicals, iodine solution. This is the Bunsen burner and this is the water and keep the methylated spirit. Okay, test tube are put into the methylated spirit and filled with a methylated spirit, and here put the one leaf inside the leaf. Okay, see ma'am, this is the presence of starch. Carbohydrates is necessary for the photosynthesis. Okay, the aim you write first of all the presence of starch. Operators, test tube, beaker, asbestos gas. That's like only you write asbestos gas, tripod stand and Bunsen burner, beaker, test tube, potted plant and methylated spirit and iodine solution are you take. Okay, understood. After chemicals, iodine solution or betadiene solution, tincture iodine also. Okay, and procedure, you take the potted plant and leave the fresh leaf. Okay, and sunlight, expose it to the sunlight. Okay, you take the potted plant, well expose it to the sunlight, must and should well expose it to the sunlight plant only you take, and take the leaf, one leaf, and put into the test tube, and methylated spirit are added, and heat them. Okay, in methylated spirit or keep the leaf and heat them 5 or 10 minutes after. Okay, the methylated spirit are put into the leaf, the inside chlorophyll are removed for the leaf, and pale white color are produced. The water bath of the bath of the leaf. That's why the all chlorophyll are, you are heat the leaf on the time the inside have a chlorophyll, leaf have a chlorophyll or remove for the methylated spirit. On that time, the leaf will be, color will be changed. Which color are produced in a pale white color are produced. Okay, pale white color are produced. After the, carefully take the brush and leaf, remove the leaf inside the leaf, you remove the, you take the precautions must and should. You take the brush and remove the leaf and put into the petri dish. Okay, understand? You put into the petri dish. After few minutes, you added the 1 or 2 drops of the iodine solution, tincture iodine or betadine solution. Both are one or either. Okay, betadine solution or a tincture iodine solution are added. And that time, after some time, the leaf will be changed the blue or black color. Okay, which color are produced? Blue or black color. Blue or black color are produced. That's why the plants have a chlorophyll are present. The plants have carbohydrates are present is a iodine test. Okay, the iodine test ద్వారా మనకి blue or black color అనేది ఫామ్ అవడం జరిగింది. Because the plants presence of the carbohydrates are present is called as a photosynthesis. చెప్పుకున్నాను before time. That also only the blue or black color produced. The plants have presence of carbohydrates are present. Okay, understand? This is the 4 marks question. Very very important. Presence of starch. First of all, you write this one. Aim. What is the important? The necessary for the necessary for the carbohydrates test. లేదా starch is necessary for the photosynthesis. You write operators. Which operators are you take? The operators: test tube, beaker, methylated spirit, Bunsen burner, asbestos gas, and potted plant, and methylated spirit, and iodine solution. Chemicals are iodine solution or betadine solution. Procedure: you take the beaker and fill it with a water and put into the methylated spirit and fill it with a test tube and put into the leaf in a inside of the methylated spirit test tube and heat them and boil the leaf, and after few minutes the leaf have a chlorophyll or remove. After sometimes you take the brush and carefully you remove for the leaf and put into the petri dish, and some drops of the betadine solution or a iodine solution are added. 1 or 2 drops of the betadine solution or a iodine solution are added. And that time the color will be changed, blue or black color are formed. That is also called as the photosynthesis of the presence of carbohydrates are present for the photosynthesis process. This is the 4 marks experiment one. Very very important. Okay, see tomorrow class next question will be discussed. Next procedure will be produced. Okay.